Ador Welding Limited has a dominant presence in the welding electrode business. Its 7018 series is a leader in its segment. In its endeavor to continuously improve quality, Ador Welding is proud to introduce Supabase X Plus S. To evaluate the quality of Supabase X Plus S, we conducted an efficiency test, comparing it with Brand X. To start with, we measured the weight of an unwelded plate. The weight of 5 electrodes combined was then taken. These 5 electrodes each of Supabase X Plus S and the competitor's brand were well deposited on a pre-weighed steel plate. We can see Supabase X Plus S producing lesser smoke, thereby making it more welder-friendly. Both the welded plates are compared again. Weight of the remaining stubs is measured and deposition efficiency is calculated. Supabase X Plus S has 125% efficiency. To check the performance of Supabase X Plus S with respect to different weld joints, we conducted few trials on fillet weld joints. We observed equal penetration on both walls. Spectral analysis of both samples was done in a state-of-the-art laboratory at Ador Welding's Chinchwad plant.
आज आपण इथे पाइप वेल्डिंग करणार आहोत. तर पाइप वेल्डिंग ही भाजी पोझिशन मध्ये आपण करणार आहोत.
For the pipe welding application, we used mild steel, grade IS2062 pipe with an included angle of 60 degrees and a 2 mm root gap. Supabase X Plus S shows superior arc stability. Supabase X Plus S produces less spatter, resulting in better weld quality. Supabase X Plus S slag is self-peeling, whereas in brand X, slag is removed after tapping. This part is welded with Supabase X Plus S and we see a welding bead with the desired convexity and fine ripples. On the contrary, when the part is welded with brand X, we can see excess convexity and a coarsely rippled bead. This proves that Supabase X Plus S is a superior product for plate welding, fillet welding and pipe welding applications when compared to its nearest competitor.